standard students, welcome to English grammar and writing skill class. Today in this class we are going to study lesson number 3, determiners. So take out your books, open page number 9, lesson number 3, determiners. First of all, let us know what is a determiners, okay? Words that precede nouns and add to the meaning of a nouns are called determiners. Words that precede noun, precede means noun के पहले जो word आता है and add to the meaning of a noun और वो noun को कुछ extra meaning देता है, then such words are called as what? Determiners. कौन से words को determiner बोलते हैं? Those words which are used before a noun to give extra meaning to a noun is called as what? Determiners. Determiners are words that are placed before the noun or a noun phrase to make it clear what the noun refers to. ऐसे वर्ड जो नाउन के या नाउन फ्रेज के पहले यूज़ होते हैं और वो क्या करते हैं, नाउन क्या है उसको क्लियर करते हैं, किस बारे में है, कैसा है, ओके. सच वर्ड्स आर कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? डिटर्मिनर्स. Example given here are, there is ample scope for improvement. The highlighted word is which? Ample. So ample scope for improvement. Here the word scope is what? A noun, and before a noun which word is used? Ample. Ample means large, okay. उसको improve करने के लिए कैसा scope है? ज़्यादा scope है, यानी वो improve कर सकता है, okay. So here the ample is what? Determiner. You may attempt 2 out of 3 questions. Here the highlighted word is which? 3. And questions is what? A noun. So यहाँ पे sentence का meaning क्या है कि you can attempt 2 questions out of 3 questions. So here the word 3 is what? Determiner. Why it is determiner? Because it is used before a noun to give it extra meaning, to clear the noun. A little knowledge is a dangerous thing. If I say knowledge is a dangerous thing, is it a correct sentence? No, knowledge is never dangerous, right? But if I say a little knowledge, यहाँ पे अगर किसी चीज़ के बारे में हमको थोड़ी ही नॉलेज है तो हमें वो काम नहीं करना चाहिए. It can be dangerous. So a little is what? A determiner. Neither of the alternatives were practical. Here the word neither is also what? A determiner. The words underlined in the example given above are determiners. Now, we are going to study the types of determiners with a few examples. How many types are there? There are total 6 types. Articles, possessives, demonstratives, numeral, ordinal and quantifiers. First of all, let us start with articles. First of all, what are articles? We have already seen, right? We know a and the, ये 3 जो words है वो क्या है? Articles है. But if these articles are used before a noun, then they become what? Determiners. अगर ये 3 article noun के पहले used होते हैं and if they are adding extra meaning to the noun, if they are clarifying the noun, then they are not called as article. Instead they are called as what? Determiners. Look at the example. A bird in the hand is worth 2 in the bush. A bird, here bird is what? A noun, right? और bird के पहले कौन सा word use हुआ है? A. So a bird in the hand is worth 2 in the bush. So यहाँ पे a क्या है? It is an article. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. So here apple, doctor, it is what? A noun, and before the noun and the is used. So an and the here they are not article, they are what? Determiners. The words have power to make or break. Here again the is what? Determiners. Now possessiveness. Possessiveness means possessive करना means अपने को खुद को belong करना. Okay, to belong. So whether it belongs to us or it is belonging to someone else. किसका है, ठीक है, belong किसको करता है, it means possessive. So here my, your, his, her, its, our, their, whose, all these are what? All these are pronoun, right? We know what is a pronoun. Pronoun is a word used instead of a noun, but here these words are what? Possessive determiners. Why they are possessive determiners? Once that word is used before a noun, अगर एक pronoun noun के पहले यूज होता है तो हम उसे क्या बोलेंगे? Possessive determiners. Understood? This is my decision. Decision here, it is decision is what? Abstract noun, right? तो decision के पहले कौन सा pronoun यूज हुआ है? My. This is my decision. ये मेरा decision है. So here my is what? Possessive determiner. What is your opinion? तुम्हारा opinion क्या है? Opinion is again what? Abstract noun, और उस abstract noun के पहले क्या यूज हुआ है? Your. So your is what? Possessive determiner. Other example is he is responsible for his action. It is her duty to obey the rules. Its occurrence is rare. Our action speaks volumes about our character. Their morale was regained. Whose words motivated you? So here my, yours, his, her, its, our, their, whose, all these are what? Possessive determiners. Understood? Articles and possessive determiners. अगर ये वाले words articles अगर noun के पहले यूज होते हैं then they are article determiners. अगर pronoun noun के पहले यूज होते हैं then they are possessive determiners. Next one is demonstratives. This, that, these, those. Okay, demonstrate करते हैं. This monument is a very ancient. This monument is very ancient. ये monument क्या है? बहुत ही ancient. Ancient means पुराना है. So this is what? A demonstrative determiner. Book. Book is also a noun. Book के पहले कौन सा word यूज हुआ है? That book. कौन सी book? That book. It means वो book was the one I ordered. So that here is what? Demonstrative determiner. These solutions are practical. Which solution are practical? These solution. ये solution जो है वो कैसे है? Practical है. So these is what? Demonstrative determiner. Some of those students planted the sapling. Some of those, which student? Those student, वो वाले student. So those is giving us extra information, right? Some student planted the sapling. कुछ student ने sampling प्लांट किए, बट इफ़ आई से वो वाले स्टूडेंट है तो वो क्या कर रहा है? उसे स्पेसिफाई कर रहा है, क्लियर कर रहा है. कौन से स्टूडेंट? तो वो वाले स्टूडेंट, दोज स्टूडेंट. सो हियर दोज इज व्हाट? Demonstrative determiner. Now turn the page. Numeral. Numeral means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 till infinite. One boy accepted that it was his mistake. One boy. यहाँ पे बॉय कितने हैं? ओनली वन. तो ये कौन सा हुआ? अगर नंबर दिए हुए हैं, इफ़ द नंबर्स आर गिवन लाइक 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 देन एंड इट इज़ यूज्ड बिफोर अ नाउन, अगर नाउन के पहले नंबर यूज हो रहे हैं देन इट इज़ व्हाट? न्यूमेरल डिटर्मिनर्स. ओके. These 2 trees were planted by my grandfather. ये जो 2 trees है वो किसने प्लांट किया है? मेरे ग्रैंडफादर ने. तो कितने ट्रीज प्लांट किए? 2 trees. So tree is what? A noun. And before noun 2 is used. कितने trees है? 2 है. तो कितने? 2. तो 2 क्या हो कर रहा है? स्पेसिफाई कर रहा है कि मेरे ग्रैंडफादर ने 2 trees प्लांट किए. So 2 is what? न्यूमरल डिटर्मिनर. अंडरस्टूड? 2, 3, 4 कितने भी अगर नंबर आता है नाउन के पहले देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? न्यूमरल डिटर्मिनर्स. ऑर्डिनल्स. ऑर्डिनल्स मीन्स फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. ओके. The first country to take the step was India, the first country. So here first is what? Ordinal determiner. The second prize was backed by him. Prize is also a noun, and before a noun ordinal second is used. That's why it is what? Ordinal determiner. If I say 1, 2, 3, 4, then it is what? Numeral. If I say first, second, third, fourth, then it is what? Ordinal. Understood the difference? 1, 2, 3 numbers है तो वो क्या हुआ? Numeral. First, second, third इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Ordinal. Understood? And if the numbers and ordinals are used before the noun, then it is called as what? Numeral determiners or ordinal determiners. Then next one is quantifiers. Quantify करना यानी कितने? Quantity, right? Quantity कितनी है? एक है, ज़्यादा है, कम है. Then quantifiers examples are a few, another, any, some, much, many, enough. I had a few friends. मेरे friends कितने हैं? Few है, थोड़े से ही है. I had a few friends. Friends is a noun and a few is used before a noun. Then a few is what? Quantifier determiner. He asked for another chance. Chance is also a noun and another is what? Determiner. Is there any solution to this problem? Any is what? Quantifier determiners. Some boys offered to help. Some quantifier determiner. As much deliberations they agreed. After much deliberations they agreed. Many girls participated in the cricket match. Enough points were discussed. Quantifiers means quantity, कितना, कम, ज़्यादा, थोड़ा, बहुत. Okay, a few, another, any, some, much, many, enough. If such words are used before a noun, then they are called as what? Quantifiers determiners. Understood? How many types of determiners we have studied? We have studied 6. First is article. अगर article a and the अगर noun के पहले आता है, then they are what? Articles determiners. Possessive means किसको belong करता है, किसका है. My, your, his, her, its, are, their, whose. They are all what? Pronouns. If a pronoun is used before a noun, then it is what? Possessive determiner. Demonstrative means demonstrate करना. This, that, these, those, all these words if used before a noun, then they are what? Demonstrative determiners. Numeral means number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If these numbers are used before a noun, then they are what? Numeral determiners. Ordinal means first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10. If such ordinals are used before a noun, then they are what? Ordinal determiners. Quantifier means quantity, kitna, a few, another, any, some, much, many, enough. If such words are used before a noun, then they are what? Quantifiers determiners. Determiners क्या है? जो noun के पहले लगता है और noun को बारे में ज़्यादा information देते हैं, noun को clear करते हैं. Then such words are called as what? Determiners. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Okay, till then, take care. Bye bye.